A very good afternoon to everyone. Myself Roshan and I am from Lovely Professional University. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to make an EI diagram of Tata1MG. Basically what is Tata1MG? It is an online pharmacy platform where user can order medicines, where user can book appointments to the doctors, to consultants and to book lab tests online. So in this video we are going to make an EI diagram of 1mg. Basically, what is an ER diagram? It is an entity relationship diagram where we will make now. In the ER diagram, there will be entities like this and attributes like this and a relationship with relationships are like this. So we are going to make an ER diagram of Tata1MG. Basically, I already explained what is Tata1MG. Now we will we will start writing 1mg. So in this entity, there is one important and main entity called user ID. I will remove this user. Main main entity is called user. Going to write 1 second. Yes, user. Okay. So in this user, there are so many attributes like user ID. So we'll draw the attributes. User ID. Mobile number, phone number, name, and address. User ID, name, phone number, and address. Going to draw like this. So I'm going to connect this user ID, name, so the user will order the products. So there is one relationship between the user and the products called an order. So we will write here order. This is order and make an another entity called products. Products. So we will connect these two things. User will order the products. This is one a relationship between user and the products. So in the products, there are so many attributes. So we will discuss some of the attributes like product ID. So I will write everything, product ID and product name, and what are the price and what is the description, and last but not least, what is the quantity. So I'm going to write this here. First thing will be this one, right? Attribute, product name, product name, and price, product ID, and description. So I'm going to connect these things, name, price, product ID, description. One second, sort the thing. This one little. So this is the thing. For the products, there will be name, price, order. This is the relationship between user and the products, and this is the product ID, and this is the description of the product what we are ordering. And the next entity will be so these products will have a relationship between order and order item. So we will make a relationship here. Mm, Here there is one relationship between product. This is product contains we have to write here contains will make one entity here. Here we write order item. In this order item there are so many attributes like order ID and how many numbers and subtotal. So we will make attributes of these things. So I will choose here this semicircle, one more. So three I will choose, and here one. In this I will write here order ID, OID, and here I will write here number, and here subtotal. So the AI diagram will look like this, and I will connect these attributes with this line number or order ID and subtotal. So the ER diagram will look like this. User is connected to the orders and products, and the product contains order item. So it will look like this. And moving further, the order item has an entity, has a relationship between the prescription. So we have to scroll a little bit and we have to make a relationship here like order should has. So I will make a relationship between the prescription. So has, I will make one more entity here. I will connect this, I will call this as prescription. I will connect these things. So in this prescription entity, there are so many, there are four attributes like you prescription ID, prescription UI, user prescription ID and the user ID and issue date and expiry date. So I will make these four attributes here. So I will choose here this one and here. So prescription ID here and prescription ID should be the primary key and here the user ID will be the like foreign key. Right here user ID, UID. And there are two things which is more important like expiry date and issue date. I will write the thing also. Issue date, expiry date. Okay. So we will connect these things. User ID, prescription ID, expiry date, and issue ID, issue date. Okay. So this prescription will goes to the pharmacy. Will goes to, we have to make a relationship called goes to. So I will make here a relationship between. So let's move a little bit yes down. So I will make here. I will write here goes to. We'll connect this thing. We'll make an entity called pharmacy here. In this pharmacy, as we know, there are some attributes like pharmacy ID, pharmacy name, and what is the address, pharmacy address. So we will make here uh, attributes of these things. So first thing I need to draw here a relationship between. So I will make here attributes, PHID, and pharmacy ID, name, address. So we will connect these things here, here, and here. Okay. So our diagram will look like this. And moving further, I forgot something like phone number. So I will add here phone number. So I will write here phone number. Let we will connect this thing also. Okay. Now it looks perfect. And moving further, so the prescription will also goes to the doctor. So I have to create another entity called doctor. So how we will create? Let's see this. So here I will make one relationship like this, and I will write here goes to. Okay, doctor. I will make an entity here. I will write here doctor. So we will connect these entities like this and like this. So the doctor has so many attributes like doctor ID, doctor name, and the salaries and the address and specialization. So we will make a relationship between, we already make a relationship. So we are going to make attributes here, name. So I'm going to write here name, age, and specialization. Let's make it short. And the salary. The main part will be the salary. So we will connect these things. And I forgot something like address, the doctor address. So we'll make here address. Last but not least, address. So I'm going to connect these things. Name, age, address, specialization, and the salary. So the thing is done. And moving further, so the pharmacy will issues payment. So we'll make another relationship called payment. So first I need to create a relationship issues. I'll write here issues. I'll scroll down a little bit. Payment. I have to create one entity here, which will be look like this. We'll write here payment. So let's connect these entities to make a relationship. Sorry. So I connected these things. So in this payment, there are so many like so many attributes. So we are going to discuss one of them. We are going to discuss few of them. So the first attribute in the payment entity will be the payment ID. So I will draw here attribute payment ID. Pay ID. Will short form we will write here pay ID and pay method. So I will write here pay method. Like there are so many payment methods. So I will write here pay method and the transaction date. I will write here transaction date here. Well, scroll a little bit here. Okay. So transaction date. Let's short this. And the last entity will be, and the last attribute will be the amount. So I will write here amount. Let's elaborate this. Okay. So I will connect these attributes to this and to this entity by like this. And here to pay ID, pay method, and transaction date and the amount. So the payment includes shipping. So we will scroll a little bit below and we will make a relationship here like this and we'll make one more entity here is called shipping. I will write here shipping and I will write the relation here includes. Let's connect this thing like this and sorry. So in the shipping, there are various attributes like shipping ID, shipping date, shipping address, and the order ID. So we will make we will make last attributes for the shipping here, here, and here, and last thing here. So we will write here shipping ID, and here we will write order ID and we will write here shipping date. Let's make it short. And here I will write address. So we will connect these entity, we will connect these attributes like this. So we are done with the ER diagram. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it by learning the how to draw a ER diagram. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So thank you, guys. So overall ER diagram of 1mg will look like this. User, order ID, products, order item, contains prescription, and the prescription will goes to doctor, and prescription will goes to pharmacy. So it issues the payment and payment after shipping. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video.